Gotta think of something, y'all. Wait for yourself. You gotta keep on. That ain't gonna work too much. Mila, Harry, 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 leave that. Drop that. Slide it underneath me. Yeah, I'm coming down on that. Oh, that's too close. Yes, hold it right there. And just hold that door out my way. Oh, still, it's too wide. There we go. Yeah, look at that bowl. Well, man. So let me let it go through. Oh my gosh. Whew. Oh, we already drip this shit slow. Gotta go real slow, y'all. It's a button. Close, start, open, run. Turn the engine switch on. You was ready to run? That's what you did that jump for? Oh my gosh. Turn the engine switch to on and pull the record to start the engine. Turn it again and turn the choke to open. All right, so do that. That's it. So this once, open it. Then what? Open it. Turn the engine to start.
Pull the recoil to start the engine.
All right.
It's a good day, Dad.
Yes, it is. That's it. Test, man. First test. That's good. Now, I can't find my nut.